Welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to learn the globals. Okay, globals are basically, the global means, you know from the word what is globals. Yeah, it is the your whole website have the access of these globals like that. Yeah, if you define in the one page. So PHP globals. Now globals. Yeah, so this is the thing. Okay, here they are saying the global variable that can be accessed from any scope. Variables of the outermost scopes are automatically global variables. You can be change the scope inside the function. To use the global inside your function, you need to use the global. Okay, so basically this one I want to show you. Yeah, inside the function. So here you can see how the things globals and the function are next to each other. So okay, globals.php. so in the previous video we learned the variable, so I will just define directly the variable. Okay, pi equal to 3.14. this is the variable. Now what happened, now this will echo. Yeah, so let's go here and let's close other. This one is useful still, let's not close this one. Let's go here and make this one globals. Yeah, you can see the variable default we learn already here, echo and all things there. Yeah, so don't waste time on that one. Now what is the thing, now before understanding global we need to understand the function. Now function, in the primary school we are writing f of x equal to x plus 1 like this for the graphs or something. Yeah, for the trigonometry function or something else we are writing this one in mathematics. Yeah, don't fear, it is not that much hard or something, easy. So f of x equal to x plus 1. So what this is called, the function of x. This is called the argument, this is called the what it is doing. Yeah, x plus 1 means it is incrementing the x, like if x is 1 then it will do the x2, x is 2 then it will do the x3. Yeah, basically. So function, now the name of the function, what is the name? In the name also you can like try something with underscore and other things, but underscore is not preferred by the programming standard, and maybe it is not standard by PHP, you can't use maybe. Okay, so let's start. Increment number, like this is the basic standard. You can start with the lowercase, the function name, and newer word will be in the uppercase. And now here I will do pi plus 1. Okay, but I didn't call because it is a function, it need to call. So if you don't call the function like this, then it will not execute. It is just a code which you can call more time. Functions are usable in the, let's say for example, app calculator. Yeah, you don't need to write every time when plus button and there is a numbers left and right. You are writing only one time the function for addition, and all things are sum up there. You need to just pass the variable and then you get the result. Yeah, so let's see 1. Yeah, pi plus 1. Why it is showing 1 me? I have 3.14 plus 1. Why it is showing 1? I don't know. Let's see. Executing, yes, 1.0. okay, strange. Okay, not strange, because here you need to know the scopes. Outside variables are not accessible inside variable. If here I pass the pi, let's say pi, and here I make the pass the pi, then it will make 4.40. Yeah, without the float number, it will increment directly. Yeah, but if I don't pass this one, then it will make 500, which is like argument is there but not pass. Okay, so now here it is 1 because pi is not there, so pi is, it is getting as 0 because we are doing addition with string. If it is addition with like concatenation, then it will get the empty string there. If we will look at this one, but the pi is not here accessible. For accessing the pi, you need to write the globals of pi, and then you can access the pi. So you don't need to pass the things, you don't need to do anything. This will directly access the pi because pi is the constant. Yeah, so you can use the pi like this one. Yeah, so basically this is the somewhere you will use in programming, but without passing argument, we are using the variable inside a function. Yeah, this is the function. So this is for this video. Thank you very much. And yeah, one more important thing is scopes. We will look in the scopes in the next video because scopes is more important. Yeah, thank you.